Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Roku Express. So this is the cheapest Roku device in their lineup at 30 bucks right now on Amazon. So it's only 1080p. So if you have a 4K TV, you might want to upgrade to the Roku streaming stick. But anyways, this is about the same price as the Chromecast or the Amazon Firestick, but it has a feature that's not available on those devices, and it's private listening. So what this does, it allows you to connect headphones to your cell phone and open the Roku app, and the sound from the Roku will come out of those headphones. So let's begin the unboxing. So first of all, let's look at the box real quick. So here you have, it tells you it's 1080p. You can use it with a mobile app, and there are thousands of channels available. So apparently there's some free content that comes with this. So maybe you can watch TV and sports. So we'll see what's available, but mainly this is for like Netflix and YouTube. So here it says what's included in the box. So there's the Roku Express, there's a remote, and there's two AAA batteries, probably for the remote, a high-speed HDMI cable, and a USB power cable. Alright. Okay, so let's open it. It's on this side. And there you go. So here you have the Roku. It's pretty light. This is a sticker. I think it's for maybe to like attach your Roku to your TV. Let's remove the remote. So let's see what there is. So there's Netflix, Disney Plus, there's the Roku channel, and Global. So here, remove this, and that's it, nothing on the sides. I think the other devices, like the more expensive ones, the Premiere and the Roku stick, they have like a volume up and down on the side here, but here there's nothing. So that's it. Have a quick start guide. We have actually some Roku stickers. And here should be a kit. There you go. This is the HDMI cable. So there you go. and this is the micro USB. And that's it. Let's see the ports behind. Alright, so there's HDMI, micro USB, and a reset button here. And here it's Roku, and here nothing really. And here I think it's for the IR blaster, for the remote. Alright, so now I'll go set it up and I'll walk you through the setup process. Alright, so the Roku Express doesn't come with a power adapter, so you need to connect it to the to a USB on your TV, or you can take a power brick on your own. So there you go. The Roku should be booting. There you go. So I'll just connect to my network. So now there's an update, I'll just update it right now. There you go, the update is done. So now press OK and Roku will analyze your HDMI connection. Alright, let's see. It'll analyze. So my TV is 1080p, so this will work well. Alright, so now you need to go to roku.com/link and enter the code. And you need to create a Roku account if you don't already have one. So I'll just create it and I'll come back. Alright, so now I've finished creating my account. So as you can see, it found the Roku Express. So I can just click on it and it's connected. Alright, so now we're in the home screen. We have everything here. So let's try to add channels. Alright, let's add YouTube, add channel. Alright, so now we have YouTube. Let's see how fast it can open. Let's skip for now. And it opened pretty quickly. So now let's try the private listening function. So let's go on YouTube. Okay, now let's click on private listening. See what happens. Now the sound is coming out of my phone. I can connect my headphones. The sound should come out of my headphones. As you can see, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's coming out of my headphones. And now I can remove private listening and see what happens. And it's again on the TV. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.